What is up YouTube, Manuel here and welcome to another video of Lifestyles and Sneakers. Today is the 31st day of the month, meaning it's the last day, and this is our last video for this month. For those of you who are participating on our giveaway, this is the last video that you need to watch, so you please make sure to watch this video from beginning to the end. To cap off this month, as you can see on the thumbnail, we will be doing a triple unboxing worth over 100,000 pesos. So let's go! Before we start to unbox this big box beside me, let me just thank you all for all your support this month. I know it's not been easy. We produced, like, including this video, I think we produced 85 videos in total for this month. So that's almost 3 videos a day in average. And honestly, if I wasn't sick, we could have done more. Actually, our goal was to hit 100 videos this month, but yeah, unfortunately, I got sick and we weren't able to achieve that goal. But anyway, we have achieved a lot of goals this month. We have reached 10,000 subscribers. We've surpassed that. Now we're almost reaching 12,500 subscribers. So all of you new subscribers to this channel, welcome to this channel and I hope you're enjoying. And apart from that, we've gained a lot of new friends, especially in YouTube, like Tom, Christian. Now I've met personally Julius Babao, and hopefully by next month we can do a collaboration video with him. And we finally reach our goal to visit DJ Big Boy Cheng's house. So yeah, this month has been good for us, and I hope it's been good also for you guys. But anyway, thank you so much for all your support, and I hope you can continue to support us moving forward. So going back to the giveaway, I know we've produced so many videos this month, and I know you've been struggling as well to keep up with all our videos that we've been releasing. So what I'm gonna do is give you guys a leeway and let you watch our video until tomorrow. So even if you comment until tomorrow, you'll still be part of this sneaker of your choice giveaway. So the whole day of November 1, you can binge watch all our videos and comment on every single one of our videos, including the live stream, guys. So at least I know it's a holiday tomorrow, so you will have more time to watch it. And after tomorrow, we will start to check who qualified for this sneaker of your choice giveaway. So guys, without further delay, let's open this box. So guys, let's open this. So actually, I got this box from the US. I actually ordered this over a month ago, but I had problems with the shipment, so it didn't arrive on time. But at least it still arrived before the end of the month. So yeah, I'm so excited to see what I have inside. I already know what's inside, but I can't wait to share it with you guys. Okay, this is it's rough. This is wrapped so tightly. Anyway, I'll just take the plastic off first. Okay guys, so here is the first box. Let me just take it out first. Box number 1. This is box number 2. And this is box number 3. So yeah, I have a total of 3 boxes to be opened. So okay, let's start with this one. Probably know what's inside this box, but anyway, this is the one. We will unbox this separately later. Let's open the other box again. Okay. So many tape. Okay, this is the next box. So guys, I think you also know what's inside this box. And then the last box that we're gonna open is this one. So it's actually the same as the other box. So guys, these are the 3 boxes that we will be unboxing to cap off the month of October and to celebrate all the milestones that we have achieved for this month. So let's start with this box. This is actually the Hurachi Adapt, and this is the colorway, the Opti Yellow colorway. Wow, this is really nice, guys. I didn't realize it was this nice. Wow. We get the other one. So I actually got this sneakers from StockX. Wow. So this is the first sneakers, the Nike Hurachi Adapt. Then the next one we'll open is in the middle. So this is actually a Sakai LD waffle. This one is in a black colorway. So here it is, guys. Wow, this is also equally nice. Let me get the other pair. So yeah, this is the second sneakers that we're unboxing. So I guess you know what's the third one. It's another Hurachi Adapt because of the box. But let's open it. I haven't seen this in person yet. I've seen the yellow one, but this is actually the white colorway. Here it is. Boom. So guys, here are my 3 latest pickups for well, this will be already for November. I know it's been late. These were all released last month, the month of October. So I'll be doing an individual review of every single one of these sneakers. So watch out for it. I'll be releasing it this month of November. I'll be honest with you guys, I might flip all these 3. I'm not yet sure, but if I get a buyer, a good deal for this sneakers, I will not hesitate to flip them. So that's about it, guys. I hope you enjoyed our over 100,000 worth of sneaker unboxing. I hope you could also watch my individual reviews for each sneakers that we have here in front of me. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and click the notification bell. Follow us on all our social media accounts. Until next time.